Basically, to go to Google Scholar, all you need to do is just go on your browser, okay, um, type Google Scholar and click on the first link saying Google Scholar. The URL should read scholar.google.com. Okay, so I will open a Google Scholar tab and I will also separately, okay, I'll just open a normal Google tab, okay, and I'm going to search for something random, okay, but which makes a good example for this. So let's just say, okay, finding jobs. Okay. And if you notice, when I search from Google, it's going to give me a lot of commercial results, okay. Whereas on the other hand, if I type the same thing on Google Scholar, you can clearly see that it's giving me more academic writings, articles, and basically uh, links and resources rather discussing the topic of finding jobs, okay, whereas opposed to actually giving me links to find jobs. So you can see that the results that you get when you search from Google Scholar are specifically tailor-made for when you are looking to um, research, okay, about a specific topic.